and me, learning about multi-languages and other things.
No, it's not a pimple.
We are going to show you what these do.
What's that?
But it's going to grow bigger.
We are also doing gymnastics this term.
And we will be selling chocolates. Maybe we will be coming to your...
And we are also doing gymnastics this term.
We will be doing a chocolate sale for everybody to enjoy. And it's a fundraiser for camp.